Hi, my name is Brooklyn Jennings, and today I want to show you how to create a game using Flippity. So first off, we're going to be on www.flippity.net, and once you're there, you can navigate through and look through the many choices of games to use for your classroom. If you've never used Flippity before, it's pretty simple to use. I highly suggest already being logged into your Google account so that you can more easily access Google Sheets like you see at my top of my screen up here. And today I'm going to show you how I created a crossword puzzle. Again, if you haven't used Flippity, I highly suggest going to the demo before you go to your instructions, just so you can see kind of what the end product is going to be like, so you can choose your game based on that. So we'll click on the demo for the crossword game, and it takes just a second for it to generate. Most of Flippity's games are designed to be printed, not played online, but I think you can still use them online, just using your PDF version or taking a screenshot of it and using a projector with it. So here you'll see we have some scientific terms and whatnot, so it gives you the clue, and it'll randomly generate a box or a couple of boxes for all of your clues. If you want each of your students or whoever you're using the crossword for to be randomized, you can always click it again and it'll have the same clues just in a different format. You can click it over and over and over, and then if you want a key version for yourself, there's the key. And then of course our print button over here. So we'll go back and click instructions, and it's super simple to use this crossword. So you'll need to just click on, you can make a copy of this template, and doing so, I'm already signed in, so I'm just going to click make a copy, and here you'll see you have your words and then your clues, so whatever you want to make it. So you can just delete all of this, put in your own clues, your own words and whatnot, and then it'll automatically be put into another type of, or the crossword itself, it will generate it for you. So back to here, you want to make sure you can edit the words and clues, and then you can label the crossword at the bottom, which I'll show you how to do in just a minute. And don't edit any cell with a blue background, so you don't want to edit this as it'll mess up some of the formulas. I'm going to go ahead and move to a crossword that I have already created, so you can more easily see. So I have my words here on my left column, and my clues in this right column over here, and I created some of these simply put. So you just really need to come up with the material, which I guess is the most difficult part about it. And then down here, you can click Theater 1 Crossword. It should say something like crossword, just a type of puzzle. And you can come and rename it, and it'll be renamed for when you have the link. The most important step of this, though, is that whenever you're completed, you have your words, you have your clues. You want to make sure that you come to File. And then for me, it's share and then publish to web. And you have your entire document. Mine is already published, so mine says stop publishing, but you'll have a big publish button. You don't want to click on anything, just click publish. And in doing so, you can go to the get the link here segment, come right here to this link, click on it, and there is your crossword puzzle. And again, it works the same way. You can regenerate any configuration of it, because there is a really cool generator that makes it work. So you can also come right here and click this paper on paper, and you can copy the link and put it into your search bar like this. And there you have it. You'll have your completed Flippity crossword, and don't forget to bookmark and share if you want to use a page, or it'll be saved in your Google Sheets.